I just pulled my AIYIMA D03 out of the closet because I needed an amplifier to test these speakers that I just built, which will be appearing in a future video where I'm installing these inside acoustic sound panels, which is really kind of odd. Look forward to that video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification when that video drops. It's going to be very, very cool project. This video is not about these speakers, but I did need to test these speakers today. I can't move forward in that project without testing the speakers at this stage, and I'm glad I did. I needed an amplifier to test these speakers quickly and easily without unhooking my A80 that I have here, and I went to my closet and I have a number of amplifiers to choose from, and the D03 made most sense because I wanted Bluetooth. I wanted to be able to just simply play something on my phone and have it come out of the speaker, so I wanted a Bluetooth amplifier. The D03 is exactly that. The AIYIMA D03 has a Bluetooth input. It also has all the typical digital inputs. It has USB input, it has optical digital input, it has coax digital input, and it also has an RCA input, and sit down also has a subwoofer output. And it's remote controllable, all for $160. This thing is unbelievable. But none of that is why I'm making this video today. I'm making this impromptu. I didn't plan to make this video. I didn't even wash my hair for this video. I just grabbed my camera and I just thought I would tell you about this AIYIMA D03 for one thing I haven't mentioned yet. Damn, does this thing sound amazing. Incredible clarity. The clarity and ease. The ease of listening. No fatigue. I'm 2 hours into this listening session. No fatigue at all. It just sounds incredible. Of course, I can't play normal music. I have to play royalty-free music right here, right now, so that's what you get. And I'm 2 hours into this listening session, and this amplifier is still super cool to the touch. No warmth at all, cool to the touch. Now that's partly because I'm using 16 ohm speakers. There's a good reason I made these speakers 16 ohm. That's very unusual. Most people run 8 ohm speakers or 4 ohm speakers. But at 16 ohms, you're getting 400% less current out of your amplifier. So that's one big reason why this amplifier is running so cool, and maybe one reason why this amplifier sounds so easy, because it's not stressed at all at 16 ohms. But this amp is meant for 8 ohm or 4 ohm speakers, and at 16 ohms I'm getting 400% less output power. This is rated 150 watts into 4 ohms, about 75 watts into 8 ohms, and about half of that, about 37 watts, into 16 ohms that we're listening to here. 37 watts we're listening to right now. It's capable of much more than that. The reason I make this video isn't to tell you about the feature set on this amplifier, which is extensive. For $160 to get all of those features is really amazing. But what's more amazing is the incredible sound out of the D03. That's 50% volume. Can you hear me over the music? That's 50% volume at 16 ohms at about 37 watts. This is capable of 150 watts into 4 ohms. This video is not about the amazing power that this thing produces. It's about the amazing clarity, and just the quality of sound is not that it doesn't convey well over YouTube, but I am shocked at how good this thing sounds. For $160 you have got to check this out. I'll put a link in the description below.